Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make and use the biofuel generator. First of all, in the tech tree tier 4, make sure you've got the fabricator unlocked and crafted alongside with the electricity tool. Also, you'll need to unlock the portable biofuel generator to unlock the biofuel generator. Now, to craft the biofuel generator, you'll need 20 steel ingots, which can be made from steel bloom, which is made from some iron ore, charcoal or coal in the mortar and pestle, or inside of the material processor, which is then smelted inside of a furnace to get steel ingots. Secondly, you'll need copper wire, which is made from copper ingots, then some electronics, which are made from some gold and copper wire with some organic resin and epoxy, steel screws, which are made from one steel ingot, and glass, which is smelted inside of a furnace from some silica ore or some sand. So, once you've gathered all the resources, go ahead and craft the biofuel generator. Nextly, find a suitable place and place it down. Now, using the electricity tool, connect it to your grid. And lastly, you'll need a biofuel can, which can be filled in an electric composter or inside of the biofuel composter. Using these recipes, you place the biofuel can inside of it and the organic materials, which can be processed into the biofuel, which is then stored inside of the biofuel can. Then you'll need to transfer the biofuel can inside of the generator and click activate. As you can see, it is providing 5000 electricity. As you can see here, this flow meter is not necessary, but I have it so I can see my supply and demand of electricity, water and biofuel. So this is pretty much all how you get and use the biofuel generator. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.